Great! Today is Wednesday, which means it is Skyllerex The Vyonder 2004's birthday, and his channel has 820 subscribers. So, what is the perfect surprise that I will give him on his birthday? Hang on, I think I have it. Guess what? I will burp at Skyllerex really loudly on his birthday. That will be a hilarious surprise. Ha 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 ha.
We are here to celebrate your birthday, my brother.
We will invite your friends to dance, like Waleed, Elijah Do, Chuckles, Jacob, including your teammate too.
I am so happy to hear that. You three are my nice friends, even Waleed and his teammate too.
That's great to hear. We're gonna buy some more presents. So stay here until we get back.
No problem. I will wait for you all for 7 minutes.
We promise that we won't be late.
Uh-oh. Looks like someone is coming.
I know that, right SBAnimate 2016? It's Bob.
Excuse me, Bob. What do you think you are doing here? You are not invited to my birthday to celebrate, so, go back to your house now.
Actually, Skyllerex, I have a perfect surprise for your birthday.
And what is the perfect surprise?
Just close your eyes to see what happens. Okay.
Got it.
Alright, now to the time. Here goes nothing.
Ah, that was really loud. Why did you do this to me?
I did that as a surprise for your birthday, because you're still making grounded videos out of Stephanie.
Wow, just wow, Bob. Are you crazy? We can't believe that you burped at my brother really loudly on his birthday. That is not funny at all. It's extremely naughty of you to do that. You know what? I will be telling your mother about your naughty prank for what you did to my brother. Back to your house, now. Now let's all calm down and wait for my teammate and friends to celebrate my birthday.
Bob, where have you been this time? Explain yourself.
I went to Skyllerex's house to give him a perfect surprise for his birthday. I burped him really loudly because he still makes grounded videos out of Stephanie nonstop.
What? Really? How dare you burp to Skyllerex really loudly on his birthday? You know that is not a funny surprise at all. How very naughty you are. That is it. You are grounded for 5 weeks. You will not celebrate with his birthday for this kind of behavior from you. Now go upstairs to your room this very second, now. You naughty boy.